Today, I have brought you another wonderful leaf called potato leaves. Are you getting me? This is it. It is edible. Yeah, it's edible. Also, you can use it as a tea. Look at the tea here. But before using it, the question is, what are the health benefits of potato leaves? Potato leaves has vitamins A, it has vitamin C and the K, it has fiber and the iron. Yeah, it is very, very good. It's a very powerful antioxidant to fight inflammation in the body, suppose our immune function. So it is very, very good. It's also good for your heart health and the hypertension management, good for immune, supports the immune because it has the high levels of vitamins A and the C, which boosts immune function. It helps also to fight infections. Have you seen it? I'm just talking about just this little thing you have seen. And also for some of us that are aging, you are talking about collagen. Constant use of this will give you collagen. It will give you collagen. And it's also anti-diabetic, and the anti-cancer properties is loaded in this. It improves eye and bone health. For some of us that are talking about eye problem, just convert this, be taking it as your tea every day. There is no overdose as far as vegetable is concerned. As far as vegetable is concerned, it improves your eyes, improves also your bone health because of the vitamin A content, which supports our vision. Yeah, why calcium and the iron contribute to bone health. It has a lot of fiber as a result of that calcium. Then it's also good for digestive health. For digestive health. So sweet potato is very, very good. Yeah, there is another type. I forgot to bring it along. You get it now. For using it for cooking, you just, even from the same, yeah, you just unplug it like this. Have you seen it? It's a very good vegetable. Yeah, if you are a lover of spinach, you will love the taste of this one. It's very soft, tender in the mouth, as it is doing wonders. Have you seen the way I've cut? I'm plugging it. Have you seen it? Yeah. And if you have vases at home, you can replant this one in a sack. I have a lot of them in the house. Because like if I'm at home now, after making use of the leaves, have you seen the tiny roots coming out? You just do what? Put it down in your vase, pour a lot of sand. As you are eating the root, that is the potatoes itself, you are also enjoying the leaves. This is a strong medicine for people with ulcers. Potatoes is very good. So have you seen it? Me, I love it when I plant them like this. You get it? Have you seen? So you get your sharp knife. The way I use it for cooking, have you seen the way I am cutting? This same part, I will cut it this way because it will give me a different design in food. It will also give me a different look when I am looking at the sauce. So this one, you put it aside. Are you getting me? Before you start doing what? Now smartly cutting your vegetables. It can be used for the meat sauce. It can be used for chicken sauce. It can be used, just ordinarily like this. Yeah, you cut it. You can just fry it with tomato and the onions, and make sure every day you consume one vegetable or the other. Let sweet potato vegetable be among the vegetable you will be eating. That's it. Have you seen it? So this is it. Yeah, because it's a tender kind of vegetable, it's soft. When you are using it for a sauce, after cooking your meat, you are sure that the meat has get done. You have put your ingredients. Vegetable is supposed to be the last thing to put. You don't overcook vegetable. You just steam it. You get it, so the heat of the sauce can even get it done, so that the nutrients will still retain itself. Thank you so much. Like I've talked about the tea. This is sweet potato tea. Okay, this is sweet potato tea. So you drink it after boiling. You know the way we take our tea, children can also take it. All right, enjoy, get it, try it, comment, and keep connecting people to this platform. Thank you so much.